Want to create cinematic AI videos with perfect motion consistency and immersive audio? Seedance brings you Seedance 2.0, the future of AI video generation. From text to video, reference images to cinematic clips, generate up to 15 seconds of ultra-realistic video in seconds. Let me show you how it works.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
This is the homepage of Seedance AI Video Generator. I will provide the link of this website in the description of the video. This is the homepage of Seedance AI Video Generator, supported text, image, audio, and video references with precise motion consistency and immersive audio-visual output. We can create cinematic AI video with unified multi-model control. From here, we can create video with reference generation feature and text video feature. We can explore both features from here. In a reference generation, we can upload our asset and generate videos. We can also enter a prompt related to our assets. Now click on Model. From here, we can find two different models, Seedance 2.0 Fast and Seedance 2.0 Pro. We can select one according to our need. We can also select aspect ratio for our video. Here, a different type of ratios are available. After that, we can change the video length up to 15 seconds, which is one of the best parts of this amazing AI video generation tool. Here, we can explore Seedance 2.0 creations. Other creators can create the cinematic clips with Seedance 2.0. These videos are generated with Seedance 2.0. We can create such type of videos easily and effortlessly by using this advanced AI video generation tool. Why Seedance 2.0 is the future of AI video generation. Seedance 2.0 is built on a unified, multi-model audio-video joint generation architecture, allowing creators to combine text, images, audio, and video as both references and editable input. Immersive audio-visual experience with Seedance 2.0. Here we can find AI video generator that enhances motion stability and audio-video synchronization to produce ultra-realistic videos. Director-level control with Seedance 2.0 AI video generation. With the help of advanced multi-model referencing, Seedance 2.0 understands what content is used as a reference or editable material. With Seedance 2.0 AI Video Generator, simply describe the vision in a natural language, and the system executes with precision. Empower creators with Seedance 2.0. The main part, how to use Seedance 2.0 to create a cinematic AI video in 3 simple steps. Combine text, audio, image, and video with director-level control. First of all, we need to upload an asset. We can upload text, image, audio as your creative foundation. Second, we can describe our vision, specify the role of each asset, and write a clear and clean prompt. Then, generate and refine. Create our video with one click and use Seedance 2.0 controls to refine specific segments.
The applications of Seedance 2.0. Discover how Seedance 2.0 empowers creators across industries. We can use Seedance 2.0 for marketing and advertising. We can create film pre-visualization, and we can also generate social media content easily. Now, go to the top. Here, we can also find the different models of Seedance, such as Seedance 1.5 Pro, Seedance 1.0 Pro, Seedance Prompt Guided, and more. Now we can generate a video with text to video. In a prompt bar, I will paste a prompt. From model, we can select one model according to our need. For this demonstration, we will use Seedance 2.0. After that, from aspect ratio, we can select ratio according to our need. We can select 16:9 ratio. After that, I want a video duration of 15 seconds. Once everything is done, press enter. It takes a few seconds to generate a video, so be patient. Once our video is ready, let's play and see the video that we have created using this amazing advanced AI video generation model. Wow, amazing! With the help of a single prompt, we can generate this video. We can see each and everything in the video looks like real, and you will not believe that this video is generated with AI. You can also download this video and you can share this video on social media platforms. Also, I tried the canvas. We can see that the models for this video generation, we can use Seedance 2.0 Pro, and each and everything is on the right side of the canvas. Now we want to download this video. For that purpose, click on Download. Once the download is complete, let's play and see the video that we have created using this amazing advanced generation tool. With the help of Seedance 2.0, each and everything is easy. You can create this type of video by describing your prompt and generate this video easily. Now we can generate a video with the help of the second feature of this amazing advanced generation tool, reference to video. For that purpose, I want to upload an image. Here, I will upload an image of a boy with a German Shepherd dog. After that, in a prompt bar, I will describe a video. The prompt is related to the boy and dog walking on a street. After that, from models, we will select one model according to our need. For this demonstration, we will use Seedance 2.0 Fast. After that, from aspect ratio, we can select one aspect ratio according to our need. For this demonstration, we will select 9:16 ratio. After that, from video duration, we can increase it to 15 seconds.
Once everything is done, click on Generate. It takes a few seconds to generate a video based on our reference image and prompt, so be patient. Once our video is ready, let's play and see the video that we have created using this amazing video generation tool. Wow, amazing! We can create a video based on our reference image and prompt. Each and everything in the video is awesome and looks like a boy walking with a German Shepherd dog on a street. Now we want to download this video. For that purpose, click on Download. Once downloaded successfully, let's play the video. Wow, amazing! We can create such type of videos with the help of reference images and enter in the prompt related to our image about what type of video we want. We can see that we can use this amazing advanced tool. We can generate videos with the help of reference images, audio, and video. We can also generate text to video effortlessly. Each and everything in a video is consistent and looks like a real video. From today, say goodbye to expensive video generation tools and use Seedance. That's how you create cinematic AI videos with Seedance 2.0, from text to video to reference-based generation. Click the link in the description to get started. Try this amazing AI tool yourself and share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Guru Tech Solutions for more updates about AI tools and trends.